Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today on Boston Girl Bakes, we're making Lucky Charm Rice Krispie treats. These are a colorful sweet twist on the classic Rice Krispie treats, and they're so easy to make, so let's jump right into it. You're gonna start by lightly spraying a 9 by 9 inch pan with cooking spray, or you can line it with parchment paper or aluminum foil. You could use also a smaller pan if you'd like, if you want your treats to be a little bit thicker. Now let's melt our butter. You're gonna do this over low heat to keep it from burning. Once your butter is melted, you'll add in your marshmallows. I'm using just a 110-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, but you could always use the large marshmallows if you'd like. You'll stir this continuously with a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon until it's fully melted and smooth. Now remove the pot from the heat and you're gonna add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. These are like my 2 little secrets to making the best Rice Krispie treats ever. You just stir that together and you notice that the mixture is really nice and creamy at this point. And of course, now we're gonna add in the fun part, the cereals. You'll stir in 5 cups of Lucky Charms and 1 cup of Rice Krispies. I like using the combination of both cereals, but you could always just use all Lucky Charms if that's what you have. Make sure everything gets evenly coated with the gooey marshmallow mixture. I'll be honest, this part can be a little bit sticky and difficult to mix, so don't give up on it. Transfer your mixture now into that prepared pan. My trick is to use a piece of saran wrap sprayed with a little bit of cooking spray to press the mixture down into the pan. This is gonna help keep it from sticking. And then I like to top it with some extra marshmallows just for that perfect finishing touch. Now you do need a little bit of patience. I like to let them sit for about an hour to cool and set up. Once they've firmed up, you can go ahead, cut them into squares, and there you have it. These Lucky Charm Rice Krispie treats, it's a perfect balance of crispy, gooey, totally delicious, and just look how fun and colorful they are. They make for a great party snack, or just because you're craving something sweet and fun. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this recipe, and subscribe to my channel for more sweet treats like this one. Comment below with your favorite way to enjoy Rice Krispie treats. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy baking.